for your consideration is absolutely mint Pioneer PL518. This turntable is fitted with a brand new dust cover. It's absolutely beautiful. The turntable itself is absolutely mint. Bright work is superb. All 4 original feet are intact and providing the proper level and clearance, as you can see. This turntable is in full working order. Has superb sound. It's fitted with a Ortofon cartridge. This also comes with a genuine Pioneer head shell. We have your auto on. Strobe shows the speed is accurate, steady, and dead on. Smooth cue to the record. And at the end of the record, full auto return and system down. Thanks for considering. This is a beautiful table.